Now let's see whether this paint is going to do the trick. Yes, I've purchased some new paint and I'm keen to try it on this untreated timber. Now I need to try and match it in with the existing darkness of all the original beams. It needs to be coloured up. So without further ado, let's give it a whirl. Only one way to find out. Let's get it on there. I've gone for quite a dark stain, so it should be dark enough, and I think several coats will probably match in. Maybe try it on the stairs as well. But first we need to sort some lighting out. Yeah, it's certainly come over rather dark at the moment. And we'll get some sheets on this table. Don't want to damage that now I've waxed it up. Who said I didn't have a halo? Sam. Right, let's put that up there. That's better. Can be difficult sometimes lighting the area correctly so you don't get lots of shadows. Multiple angles, I think. It'd be great when I can just plug things in and actually have some power in here. And talking of which, I'm going to approach a company that contacted me a little while ago. I'm a bit more sort of up to speed with the spec that I need now, the kilowatt. Hopefully they're going to still supply me with some batteries and the necessary inverters and everything. And yeah, son-in-law Jack is going to help me set it all up. So that'll be in a future video. I'll keep you updated on that. So yeah, it'd be nice just to come in here and just flick the switch on. Completely changes the atmosphere if you get the lighting right. Not having bright, beaming lights in here. It'll be very subtle, strategically placed. But for now I just need light. Now I've gone for a dark oak colour. Now, will the table hold my weight? I would imagine it dries pretty quick. Well, it's certainly changed the colour of it. I'll get that coated, we'll let that dry, move on to something else, come back, put another one on, and hopefully it's going to start blending in a bit better. I'm going to paint the fresh timber, but this one I'm going to treat it with the woodworm stuff before I paint that at a later date, so just for now we're going to just colour this up. So that's the first coat on, and already it started to blend in a lot better. I think another one that'll probably do it. So tempting to try it on the stairs. Maybe I will in a minute, but first I'm going to show you what I got this morning. I got up very early, went to a Vide Grenier yard sale and purchased something that's going to come in really handy for this project. A very good price, as you would imagine. Well, these were real bargains. There was a few gifts here as well, let me explain. So the first thing I purchased was this. It's very ornate, and it's just something as simple as just putting your keys on. So I had that, and in the stall next to him I had this. Now I've already got the chargers and batteries for another tool like this I've got. I've tested it out and it works perfectly. So that is going to speed things up as well, and it helps that I've got the batteries and the chargers. So that is a win-win as well. Now that was only €10. Yeah, that was quite a bargain. Okay, that's those two pieces. Now this has got some age to it. It goes that way. And I think someone's just added these hooks. But yeah, that is a beautiful panel, really thick. It needs woodworm treating, as you would expect. So I think I'll just put this battery on charge. Yep. We are charging. So let's get set up outside with this. Give it a quick wipe over, and then we'll get some wax on it with some wire wool. I think I'm going to take them hooks out though. These horrible modern hooks off of it. It's probably old worm, but we don't want to take any chances. So whilst that dries, let me show you what else someone bought for me. Someone bought me a gift. Jack, cheers mate. And I'm always after architectural elements for the project. They're outside years ago. Now I've still got a few of these. In the first cottage, they would have tied up the cattle or the horses outside. Something very simple, handmade, but it's authentic. And when I see pieces like this, I always grab them or get someone else to buy them for me. Yes, I would love to have had an open fire set up in the cottage instead of the wood burner that I'm thinking of installing with a flue and everything. It's a lot safer. Just love to have had an open fire in there, but I don't think it's practical really. Well, this is dry now. Let's get some polish on that. Sometimes it dries differently, doesn't it? Right, so one coat. You can already see the second coat going on, how much darker it is. Second coat, yep, I think by the time that dries, that will match in just fine. I might have to feather it in here and there, but that is pretty much where I want to be with it. I think in the next video, I'll do a bit of prep work on the stairs. We'll get the green paint on the stringers, the side pieces, and then the treads. We'll give it a coat of that and see how that matches in with the green. Yeah. Okay, well, I've got a bit of tidying up to do and a bit of polishing. I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.